going on, YouTube? I am HotMessNess, MUA, otherwise known as Vanessa, and welcome to another edition of It's on Sale. So every once in a while, we see something that pops up, you know, Trend Mood lets us know, or Trend Mood deals, or an Ulta notification, or actually the entire internet is kind of popping up with this one. But things come up on sale, and I happen to be in the middle of an Olaplex number 3 hair perfector, and I'm also masking with my Good Face Bright. So, you know, why put on a bunch of makeup just to tell you something's on sale? Anyway, love this stuff. This is amazing. I don't even love my hair, and this stuff is amazing. So if you have a Sephora VIB wish list, I highly suggest popping this bad boy on. Incredible stuff. It's really helping my hair. And if you're interested in the Good Face stuff, Bright Mask that I've been using, I have a link down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you purchase, I get a percentage, but I love the stuff. I wear it all the time. Moving on to It's on Sale. I think one of the biggest things that has been, it's popped up on a lot of bigger channels actually have been talking about this. It's the original Naked Palette. It is on sale for, I believe it's $27. It's on sale on Urban Site, it's on sale on Ulta, and it's on sale on Sephora. The original Mac Daddy Neutral Palette. I actually bought mine used. I never bought the original one. I had 2 and 3 and the Smoke and all those other ones. My biggest problem with this palette is there are essentially 2 matte shades. That's why they came out with all of their other ones, like the Ultimate Mattes and the Mini Basics, so that way you got a full. But the shimmers in this palette are kind of like what made this palette amazing, why it was so good. It's shades like Half Baked, like the original neutral shimmer. And I know we all have these in our collection by now, but these guys were, you know, the originals, the awesomes. So they're beautiful, it's really cool, but I'm sure if you've been doing any kind of makeup for any period of time, like when these guys came out, it was like a storm. And then you had, you know, your Too Faced Chocolate Bar was its biggest rival. So for the price point, would I suggest getting this? I don't know. I mean, like, because there's only 2 mattes in here, I don't feel like it's really a complete palette. I mean, you can use these shades, they kind of blend out and become more matte-like. But to me, it's like we have so much out there, and I understand why they're doing away with certain things, but to me, it's like, this is the original. Why would you do that? I don't know, maybe they'll come out with a new Naked that has a bunch of mattes in it, or who knows. But just to let you guys know, this baby is on sale, $27. It is going away forever, they say. If it's something you've always wanted, or you really do love it, and you feel like you need a backup, which I kind of feel like I felt that way. When I saw the post, I was like, I need to get a backup. And I'm like, girl, this is in your bottom drawer. And look, you haven't hit pan on anything, and you bought it used. So if it has been on your mind, you really do use it, pick it up now. If not, don't worry about it. Something new coming to replace it, I'm sure. The other thing that I saw on sale that it was really, you know, popped. I was like, oh, this is something. Too Faced is doing like their end of summer clearance sale. It said a bunch of stuff that was up to 70% off. And it was that one palette that looked like a damn rainbow. But if you actually looked at the reviews, because I was not interested in it, number one, because it was giant and looked like a rainbow, but I thought it was mostly shimmers. That palette is now $20, and when I looked at a bunch of reviews on Sephora, on the Too Faced website, they were really good reviews. So I picked it up. It's 20 bucks. And then I also got some of their glosses from the Fairy Tears and the Angel Tears. I believe it was Mermaid Tears. They have those lipsticks, and the lip glosses all went on sale except the original Unicorn Kisses, because that is not obviously going away, but the extension one. So I believe the lipsticks were $7 and the lip glosses were $7. They also had a beauty blender set. It was like Too Faced Beauty Blender. So you get a baby pink beauty blender, and then it's also the Blotterazzi and a little mini highlighter. It's like a split pan, so it's a little one, but it's now on sale for 20 bucks. we all know that a beauty blender is $20, so you're getting the 2 other products essentially for free. And I do like that Blotterazzi, so it's a cool thing. So if you're interested, go check out Too Faced's page right now, because their spring stuff is essentially all going away. They had the bronzer that had the unicorn in it, which I thought looked ridiculous, but I believe it was Angelica Nyquist that said she liked it. So I picked that one up. So that was on sale for $15. What else was on there? They also had this little mini set of the little bronzers, and I picked up one of those like 2 years ago and still haven't burned all the way through them. That's on sale. There's just a lot of things over there. They had the semi-sweet chocolate chip palette, but I believe that one's already sold out. So just to let you guys know, those are some things that I found that are on sale. Go check out Too Faced if you're interested in any of those products. And then also the Naked Palette's going away. We'll see you guys in the next video. It is time to rinse the face and hair. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.